I'm Dr. Shanti Tumala, member of Solid Waste Management Roundtable, Bangalore. I'm here at Swachhagraha Kalika Kendra, Bangalore. I welcome you all to come, learn, experience and enjoy all the good practices of solid waste management and change your perspective of what you think about your waste. We've been working in the space of solid waste management since a decade with the vision of creating zero landfill cities. We have launched many campaigns like 2 bin 1 bag, Swachhagraha, Trashonomics and Swachhagraha Compost Connect. These campaigns created a great momentum and attracted a lot of citizens across India. With the success of these campaigns, we have dreamed to build a solid waste management school which gives experiential learning for communities to think about their waste. Swachhagraha Kalika Kendra of Bangalore or Swachh Badi of Telangana were established this way. Mixed garbage is the biggest challenge any municipality or any panchayat or any state is facing today. That is because we mix everything and dump them in the landfills. The mixed garbage in the landfills is the reason for toxic soil, toxic air and toxic water. For that humongous problem of mixed garbage, this is a simple solution. 2 bin 1 bag is the way of segregation which works. It is tested, proven and achieved. It can work at household level, to communities, to institutions, to the city level. The aesthetic part of Kalika Kendra is designed by reusing or repurposing the waste materials. These are different home composting models. This section gives an option for you to choose the best model that suits your home. You can also learn how simple and hassle-free home composting can be. This choice can right away save 60% of waste going to landfill. Isn't that amazing? This is community composting section where 10 models of community composters by different vendors are displayed, and they are live working models where we add segregated wet waste every day. Communities like apartments or institutions can come and pick their choice of composter depending on their quantity of waste they generate or the space available for them. This is a beautiful vermicompost setup for large quantities of wet waste. This is less infrastructure, low and easy maintenance and highly efficient method. All that we use here is purely segregated wet waste, shredded dry leaves and cow dung slurry from the native cows and our beautiful earthworms. The output is precious vermicompost which is highly nutritious and instant food for plants and is in high demand. Every day 500 kg of wet waste is processed here with absolutely no bad smell. These are our Gauri and Lakshmi, which are native cows. Their cow dung is best accelerator for composting and we extensively use this in Kalika Kendra. We also make Jeevamruta with their cow dung and cow urine which enriches the soil. Apart from all this, they give so much love and keep this place alive. composting is a natural process, as a part of ecosystem, we do have maggots, which are larvae of black soldier fly. They are good feed for chickens and other birds. When nature gives us compost, let's grow a beautiful garden. Feeding this compost helps to provide most of the nutrition for plants. They grow healthy, resulting in amazing yield. Healthy food, healthy family. Let's all grow safe food by making proper use of our resource, which is wet waste from our kitchens.